This is lesson 1.4, rewriting equations and formulas. The essential question here is, how can you use a formula for one measurement to write a formula for a different measurement? So what we're going to look at here is we're just going to be solving for a variable in terms of a different variable. So just like you would move over numbers, you're going to move over the letters to get whatever letter it's asking for by itself. So the first thing you need to do is to undo the addition. Here, let me get a color you can see better. So first we're going to undo the addition. So we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. So those are going to cancel out and I get 2y on this side. Now we can't combine these because the 6 doesn't have an x. So you're going to leave it like that and have 2y equal to 6 minus 5x. Now I have to undo the multiplication. So you got to divide by 2, but make sure you're dividing by 2. So those cancel out and y is going to equal 6 halves minus 5 halves x, or I could even simplify that a little bit further and put that y is equal to 3 minus 5 halves x. So let's look at another example here. The formula for the surface area of a cone, so now we're using formulas here, is going to be pi, S equaled pi r squared plus pi r L, or slant height. Solve the formula for the slant height. Okay, so you're going to start off with your formula. S equals pi r squared plus pi r L. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of what's added here, this pi r squared. So I'm going to subtract pi r squared. Remember, whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Those cancel out. I'm going to get pi r slant height. And over here is S minus pi r squared. Now you're going to divide by the pi and the r to get rid of them. So you will have the slant height is equal to the surface area minus pi r squared divided by pi r. I know it gets confusing because you're seeing all these variables and you're not sure what to do, but just remember, the variable just stands for a number, so you're just going to move that over just like you would any other number. So don't let it confuse you. So the key idea here now is, let's look at temperature conversion. The formula for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius is C equals 5/9 times the quantity F minus 32. So now what we're going to look at is solving the temperature formula for F. Okay, so we're going to start off with our equation, which is Celsius equals 5/9 times F minus 32. Okay, I could distribute, but that's going to cause me more work in the end. So I'm going to get rid of the fraction first and send it to the other side. To do that, to get rid of a fraction, I multiply by its reciprocal, or the number flipped upside down. So 9/5 instead of 5/9. So that's going to cancel the 5 out, that's going to cancel the 9 out. So now I've got 9/5 C is equal to F minus 32. So now that I've used the reciprocal, I've gotten that out. Now I need to undo the subtraction. Remember, we're subtracting 32, so the inverse is adding 32. So now those cancel out, and I'm left with just my F over here, which is what I wanted to solve for. And over here, I've got 9/5 Celsius plus 32. Can't combine them because this doesn't have a C. So that's it. You're done. That's it simplified. Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 of the Celsius temperature plus 32. So let's look here at a real-life application. Which has the greater temperature? Convert the Celsius temperature of lightning to Fahrenheit. Okay, so lightning is 30,000 Celsius. So let's see. Remember our formula that we just found is Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 of my Celsius plus 32. So now all I got to do is take this and plug it in there. So Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times 30,000, that's my C, plus 32. Now if we put this in our calculators, we will find that that's 54,032. So if you're looking at this, the sun is 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, and lightning is 54,032 degrees Fahrenheit. So since 54,000 is greater than the 11,000, the lightning actually has greater temperature than the sun. Okay, finish your notes and then bring them up for me to check, and then you can work on your clever assignment.